Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maree and this is my YouTube space. So in today's video, we're going to be seeing if this is worth $10. So this is from OXX, the brand for makeup. I got this from Kmart. I don't know how much this would be like from their shop, but I got this for $10 and we're going to be seeing if this is for $10 so I can recommend it to you if it's really good. This is the Cosmetic brush set. The only mostly reason I chose this firstly was because look at the colors, and I'm also wearing my unicorn t-shirt for the video even though it kind of doesn't go with the background. You can see it. I'm wearing it. As soon as I bought this, I said I'm going to film this, so and then I went and put this unicorn t-shirt on. Thankfully I had one. This is like unicorns. I just got that vibe, the unicorn vibe, the magical vibe, the sparkly vibe, the glittery vibe about this. So there was also another one, but it was kind of like black, and also the only reason mostly was because I got this. This is the angled, they called it the eyeshadow brush, but I see people use it for bronzing, so maybe you could use it for both. So in this is a fan brush, a powder brush, a concealer brush, an eyeshadow brush, and a angled eyeshadow brush. So all of these look really good. The most thing that I'm excited for is the angled eyeshadow brush. And I also love the background. It is marbled and I love marble. So let's get opening this to see if this is worth the money. This is 10 Australian dollars. Ooh. This looks really nice. I can see that the angled brush, it's got like this protector on it. First one, which is the fan brush. The most thing I'm worried about these brushes, fur will start coming off because I've had a really bad experience. It was a new brush and I was putting foundation on, and when I was applying it, all the string or fur or whatever you want to call this came onto my face and it was really annoying. So yes, I have to always look out for that in my brush now. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my face. Now, I absolutely love, like, this is really hard. And I absolutely love, it's like ombre. And I also love the pink on the top. I kind of think that that's really cute, especially of the color. So there is, like, one string hanging out. But apart from that, this is a really good brush. The next one is the powder brush. It is this thinner one. This one especially feels like really, like it's not going to fall off. The most ones I'm worried about is the angled one and this and the fan brush. But the fan brush seemed to be really good and I absolutely love the colors, thankfully. So this one feels fine. This is the powder for the setting powder. So this should be good. Ugh. Can't see it, but as I do this, oh, all fluff comes off it. Okay, this is my one I'm most excited for because if this is a really good brush, this could like save me. Okay, so this is the angled brush. I would use these for bronzers. They classified it as the eyeshadow brush. Okay, so I got it out, and with a lot of brushes, the fur, like, it's not in completely. And it's not, like, straight, see? Like, I can see that from the camera even itself. Like, look, it's like that, and then the other. This has no dust coming off it, as well as none of these. The top of the pink is just really fluffy. I can't see a problem with this one. Just that kind of really annoys me. Everything annoys me like when it's not perfectly straight. Okay, so this is the concealer brush. This is the smallest brush out of all of them. So with the smallest ones, I always find that you want to call it the little brushes, they never come out. It's mostly with the big ones. So yeah. So this is for under the eye, around the nose, or wherever you basically just want to highlight. I think that this is really good. Probably the favorite thing about all of these brushes is this. Like, I love the colors. The last one is the eyeshadow brush. So this has a lot of fur coming off it. I've already got a few of these brushes for the eyeshadows. Ugh, it's coming all off. I find this brush fine. This is really good. Why am I putting it there? especially if you are, say you like into makeup, and I am 10, so maybe say you're 8 or 7 and you like makeup. I don't know if this is for the all sizes. I think this is maybe a little, just a smidge too big for my eye, like when you're putting it over, because I don't think that you can get like the exact size. So that was it for the haul. Is this worth $10? Now you do get 5 of them, and I found them all pretty good. Maybe if it was maybe $8, that would be a really good price. This was a good set overall. I kind of found it like there was fluff going everywhere around my room. Now it's like dusty everywhere. So yeah. But I absolutely love this kit. I'm definitely going to be using it. It's not like one of the things I'll either return or just throw out in the trash. So I'll definitely be using this in one of my makeup tutorials. Also guys, thank you so much on the Halloween makeup tutorial I did. All of you guys I got so many nice comments, probably the most comments I've ever gotten on my videos before, and all of you guys were saying yes, do more makeup tutorials, keep it up, and I absolutely love your channel, and I just subscribed. So that is so kind. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.